everyone, my name is FrameGamer. Welcome back to Rain World. Continuing where we last left off in Me Suffering Simulator 2020. 100 deaths, by the way. Hey, that's gotta be a new milestone. Anyways. Time for me to, die a lot. I just gotta get through this tough area. 100 deaths. It's a short cycle as well. Also, kind of gave up on trying to cheat. Cheat my way through, because even if I did, I still died. I still die. Let me Oh, there wasn't even a sound. So that means they didn't even hear it. These things still make me uncomfortable. This is a short cycle. Oh, now this works perfectly fine. What on earth? Just take a lizard. Just take a lizard. Thankfully, these will be the only ones I'll have to deal with for now. For a good while. Whoop! I'm pretty sure they heard that. Of course, this had to be one of the short cycles. And there's a high likelihood that I'll be ripped apart by those things before they kill me. And also, those things are called daddy long legs, by the way. They don't look like one. How much time's left on the cycle? Not a lot. Not a lot at all. Please go down. That's... I don't have a spear. I don't have a spear! I can't get up there without a spear. You gotta be bloody kidding me. You know, that was nice. My notifications are going nuts. Whoop. First of all, I need to find a den in here before the cycle ends and just zaps me like no tomorrow. Okay. I survived. I'm not dead. Those things, the daddy long legs, have not noticed me yet. Which is good. There. I need to go that way. I actually need to go that way. Ugh. Let me go! Oh my goodness, me panic dropping it saved me. This me panic dropping it saved me. Okay, at least this one's a long cycle. This is... Where is the one that's the lantern? Is this it? Okay, thank goodness I found the one that's the lantern. Now I can actually see something. How did you not hear that? Also, that lizard's in the... dead. Okay, at least they're down there. That way I don't have to deal with you. That thing almost touched me. Adjusting my headphones. So I gotta do a mic check to see if my audio is working properly, because I need like proper stuff to make it where I don't need headphones most of the time. But I don't have a problem with it. I don't have a problem with it. Bruh, you saw that, right? I threw it, didn't make a single vibration. I fell from a high height, so it might have hurt me. At least this is a long... Oh my goodness, why? Bloody thing... These things are in terrible spots lately. Okay, that's the spear I need. So I need to carefully move to where I need to go. Oh, well, I'm dead. I still hate the sound. I still still hate the sound. Oh, well, I'm dead. That one was just bad luck. It stood there for a good while or saying, it's over here. Before absolutely just tearing me apart. And even with it, I couldn't save myself. What are you trying to do? Do I have to summon another lizard to get you guys out of the way? Let's, change things up a bit. Pink. That way they'll actually chase it. Oh my goodness, that thing's actually chasing me. I think I didn't need to spawn the lizard there. Wait, one of its arms is stuck. Got stuck briefly. Did you see that? Okay, at least the spear is always guaranteed. Oh, unbelievable. That okay, this time I got through without being torn apart. Again. Oh, I need to... Whoops. So, get to a shelter here, hibernate, profit. I just gotta hope that those daddy long legs don't get in the way. Okay, it didn't draw any attention. It didn't draw any attention. I saw the flash. No! Actually, nah, I don't need it. I'll need you again. Hold on. Okay, thankfully this is a den. Here, you can just stay there. There. Thankfully, I can hibernate here. Oh, ain't that full of beans? Isn't that fun? And holy moly. Please, if there's anyone who's mastered this game, please tell me. Is there an easier way that I could go through there, or even an alternative path, and my lantern? Say you. Also, I saw a tunnel flash right here. Scavenger hideout? No, I guess it's just a random hideout for mobs. Thankfully, this is an area that doesn't require high karma to go through. You gotta be kidding me. Now you decide to freeze on me? I just got here and saved. Are you kidding me? You crashed? Okay, thank you. Oh, this is not nice. Oh, that is not good. Everything went to I lost 50% of their pixels. Where am I now? I have no idea. Let's check down here. Oh, there's another den. Should probably hibernate, just to be safe. And I'll take my lantern too. My very legal lantern.